So tonight, while I'm doing my nighttime skincare routine, we are going to be talking about one of my favorite ingredients, niacinamide. I fell in love with niacinamide when I tried those, what were they called? The Glow Recipe. Just a little bit of toner. The Glow Recipe niacinamide drops. When I tried that, it made my skin really like soft. And it gave me this really glowy look, even with my makeup. And I got so many compliments from asking me like, what are you wearing? What are you doing to your skin? And I was like, it took some time for me to put two and two together. And if you've seen that video on my review on those niacinamide drops, dew drops, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. I was really excited when I got this vitamin C facial cream, or vitamin C intense night cream from Derma-E, because I love vitamin C, and on top of that it has niacinamide in it. Okay, so what is niacinamide? If you're interested in trying it out on your skin, what is niacinamide? Niacinamide is a form of B3 vitamin, and some of the benefits of niacinamide: brightening, it strengthens the skin barrier, it's hydrating, it treats acne, it minimizes pores, and it improves skin tone. I believe it's pretty good for all skin types. I'll double check my information and put it here on the screen for you guys. But it is just, and even when you're applying this on your face, it has hyaluronic acid in that cream as well. But it is just extremely moisturizing. Like, you can feel the moisture. But definitely, if you want to look hydrated, if you want to look glowy, I recommend this product. And look at the glow. Look at the glow. Okay, if you use niacinamide and you have any favorite products, please leave them down below in the description box for all of us to talk about. I'm also looking for other suggestions with niacinamide, so please leave them down below so I can go take a look. And of course, I will leave all links to all my favorite products with niacinamide in them down below. And yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.